1 perennial, adjective.
दायमी, सदरवा, 3 या 4 मौसमों में बाकी रहने वाला पौधा.
Lasting or existing for a long or apparently infinite time, enduring or continually recurring. Example, his perennial distrust of the media. Synonyms, everlasting, perpetual, eternal, continuing, unending, never-ending, endless, undying. Antonyms, periodical, occasional, intermittent. 2 acquiescence, noun.
मंजूरी, रजामंदी, मान लेना, कबूल करना.
The reluctant acceptance of something without protest. Example, in silent acquiescence, she rose to her feet. Synonyms, consent, agreement, acceptance, accession, concurrence, approval, seal of approval. Antonyms, refusal. 3 concealment, noun.
उछल, छुपाना, दफन, रुपोशी.
The action of hiding something or preventing it from being known. Example, the concealment of the weapons. Synonyms, hiding, secretion, cover, shelter, protection, screen, hiding place, privacy, seclusion. Antonyms, revelation, disclosure. 4 whereabouts.
अतापता.
The place where someone or something is. Synonyms, location/position. Antonyms, whence, wherever. 5 ratify, verb.
तौसीक, जायज करार देना.
Sign or give formal consent to a treaty, contract, or agreement, making it officially valid. Example, both countries were due to ratify the treaty by the end of the year. Synonyms, confirm, approve, sanction, endorse, agree to, accept, consent to, assent to, affirm. Antonyms, reject, revoke. 6 seminal, adjective.
बुनियादी, बीच से मुताल्लिक, नुत्फे.
Strongly influencing later developments. Example, his seminal work on chaos theory. Synonyms, influential, formative, groundbreaking, pioneering, original, creative, innovative. Antonyms, irrelevant, unimportant. 7 exceedingly, adverb.
बकसरत, इंतहाई, कसरत.
Extremely. Example, the team played exceedingly well. Synonyms, extremely, exceptionally, especially, tremendously, immensely, supremely, very. Antonyms, little, nominally, hardly, slightly. 8 impunity, noun.
सजा से छुटकारा, इस्तिस्ना, आजादी.
Exemption from punishment or freedom from the injurious consequences of an action. Example, the impunity enjoyed by military officers implicated in civilian killings. Synonyms, immunity, indemnity, exemption from punishment, freedom from punishment, exemption. Antonyms, liability, responsibility. 9 scant, adjective.
कम, उजलत बरतना, नाकाफी.
Barely sufficient or adequate. Example, companies with scant regard for the safety of future generations. Synonyms, little, little or no, minimal, hardly any, limited, negligible, barely sufficient. Antonyms, abundant, ample, sufficient. 10 persist, verb.
बाकी रहना, कायम रहना, साबित कदम रहना.
Continue in an opinion or course of action in spite of difficulty or opposition. Example, the minority of drivers who persist in drinking. Synonyms, persevere, continue, carry on, go on, keep at it, keep on, keep going, keep it up. Antonyms, abandon, stop. 11 appetite, noun.
भूख, रग़बत, ख्वाहिश, चाहत.
A natural desire to satisfy a bodily need, especially for food. Example, he has a healthy appetite. Synonyms, hunger, ravenousness, hungriness, need for food, taste, palate, desire, relish. Antonyms, aversion. 12 ostensibly, adverb.
बादी अल-नज़र में, बज़ाहिर, ज़ाहिरना.
As appears or is stated to be true, though not necessarily so, apparently. Example, the party secretary resigned, ostensibly from ill health. Synonyms, apparently, seemingly, on the face of it, to all appearances, on the surface, to all intents and purposes. Antonyms, genuinely, really, truly. 13 Rogue, noun.
بديانة شخص مكار بدماش.
A dishonest or unprincipled man. Example, you are a rogue and an embezzler. Synonyms, scoundrel, villain, reprobate, rascal, good-for-nothing, wretch, picaro, rat. Antonyms, aboveboard, honest, uncorrupted, conscientious. 14 Invade, verb.
फौज कशी करना, हमला करना, चढ़ाई करना.
Of an armed force enter, a country or region, so as to subjugate or occupy it. Example, during the Second World War the island was invaded by the Axis powers. Synonyms, occupy, conquer, capture, seize, take, over, annex, win, gain, secure. Antonyms, withdraw from. 15 Prevaricate, verb.
हीला बहाना करना, टाल मटोल, हेरफेर करना.
Speak or act in an evasive way. Example, he seemed to prevaricate when journalists asked pointed questions. Synonyms, be evasive, beat about the bush, hedge, fence, shilly-shally, shuffle, dodge, the issue. Antonyms, be honest, face, tell truth. 16 Reckless, adjective.
आखिबत नांदेश, लापरा, बेपरवा.
Heedless of danger or the consequences of one's actions, rash or impetuous. Example, you mustn't be so reckless. Synonyms, rash, careless, thoughtless, incautious, heedless, unheeding, inattentive, hasty. Antonyms, careful, cautious, prudent. 17 Coherent, adjective.
معقول, منطقي, تسلسل.
Of an argument, theory, or policy, logical and consistent. Example, they failed to develop a coherent economic strategy. Synonyms, logical, reasoned, reasonable, well-reasoned, rational, sound, cogent, consistent. Antonyms, incoherent, muddled. 18 Defamation, noun.
बदनामी, रुसवाई, बुहतान.
The action of damaging the good reputation of someone, slander or libel. Example, she sued him for defamation. Synonyms, libel, slander, character assassination, defamation of character, calumny, vilification. Antonyms, commendation. 19 Resentment, noun.
तासुब, जलन, हसद.
Bitter indignation at having been treated unfairly. Example, his resentment at being demoted. Synonyms, bitterness, indignation, irritation, pique, displeasure, dissatisfaction, disgruntlement, discontentment. Antonyms, contentment, happiness. 20 Absolve, verb.
बख्श देना, छोड़ना.
Declare someone free from guilt, obligation, or punishment. Example, the pardon absolved them of any crimes. Synonyms, exonerate, discharge, acquit, exculpate, vindicate, release, relieve, liberate, free. Antonyms, blame, condemn, punish. 21 Worrisome, adjective.
परेशान कुन, तशवीशनाक.
Causing anxiety or concern. Example, a worrisome problem. Synonyms, worrying, daunting, alarming, perturbing, trying, taxing, vexatious, niggling, bothersome. Antonyms, light, distressing, distressful. 22 Resolute.
साबित कदम, उस्तुवार, इस्तेकलाल.
Admirably purposeful, determined, and unwavering. Synonyms, determined, purposeful, purposive, resolved. Antonyms, irresolute, half-hearted. 23 Egregious, adjective.
इंतहाई बुरा, काबिल मजम्मत, फाश.
Outstandingly bad, shocking. Example, egregious abuses of copyright. Synonyms, shocking, appalling, horrific, horrifying, horrible, terrible, awful, dreadful, grievous. Antonyms, marvelous. 24 Lynch, verb.
मारपेट, कानूनी इख्तियार के बगैर किसी को जान से मारना.
of a group of people, kill someone for an alleged offense without a legal trial, especially by hanging. Example, her father had been lynched for a crime he didn't commit. Synonyms, hang by the neck, execute, put to death, kill, murder, string up. Antonyms, bear, create, disregard, maintain. 25. Disparage, verb.
नफी करना, बुरा भला करना, कम कदरी करना.
Regard or represent as being of little worth. Example, he never missed an opportunity to disparage his competitors. Synonyms, belittle, denigrate, deprecate, depreciate, downgrade, play down, deflate, trivialize. Antonyms, praise, overrate, complimentary. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary. youtube.com/@dawnvocabulary. Like, subscribe, share and comments.